are finishing up, buttoning up this master bathroom renovation that we did here at Great Spirit. For those friends that are new, my name is Victoria and my husband Scott is my master carpenter, and together we have created something beautiful in here. So come along today, see the before and after. I got a little bit during, but today we're gonna do all the beautiful details that make the design complete. Please consider hitting that subscribe button, because if you love everything related to home, you're in a great place. That's what we talk about here on our channel. Every now and then we'll bring you into our family and take a vacation together, but otherwise we're always doing something home related. So welcome, grab your favorite drink, get cozy from your home as we invite you into our client home today. Okay, my friends, let's take a good look at this before bathroom that we completely gutted. You see there are 3 mirrors and only 1 sink. It's kind of an awkward corner custom vanity, and I didn't want to go custom because I wanted to save the clients money. So we ended up being able to do 2 vanities, his and hers. We ripped out this tub and shower and actually went higher with the ceiling so it feels so much better, and we just made it into a shower. That single light became 2 lights for them. And the tile floor, we also ripped that out. It was actually a total gut job minus refinishing the ceiling. We kept the doors on the closet and on the actual bathroom as well. So Scott is drawing out the new vanity wall for me. You guys saw the old vanity, and this one I want centered on the wall, but then of course this light, well, that light is getting terminated, but he's gonna put the new lighting over here for me, but that height was too small. So we're gonna go all the way to the top, and then the mirrors 40 inches. So anyway, this is just a little bit behind the scenes of figuring out details like that for a new bathroom while it's gutted. So far, what has happened in this space is the shower has been torn out. You can see that we went taller with the ceiling, which I'm really happy about. That's gonna really feel so much better in that shower for the clients. And the flooring has been torn out. So Scott is getting ready to lay this floor. Today, I brought him all the tile in my car. Yeah, there it is. One way to ensure that your tile is straight is using these tacks. And the grout, I chose the same color for the entire bathroom. And of course, design install day. I'm unpacking the gorgeous mirror for the shorter vanity. And all the details, a lot of them came from World Market. That little pot came from Free Spirit Bundle. I was really happy about all the fun finds with the green, just kind of pulling that color in. From the wall color, I did go a little bit lighter even though they had green before, but the soap and the lotions and the yummy towels, all those things matter. You gotta have little treasure boxes for your Q-tips and cotton swabs, in my opinion. So much fun. On to all the other details, like a stool because you need to sit or shave your legs in the shower. You get one shot when you're doing a toilet paper holder onto a brand new vanity.
3/4, 5 3/4 center of the wall.
So we want one in the center. Now their hooks are ready for their towels and robes. We also need the functional hand towel. Make sure you hang on to the hardware because you're gonna need that little tool to hang those. I love all the details. We already started with those earlier, but we definitely need a candle in a bathroom. And these are old light bulbs, so they were very hot to touch, but these new ones are warm light and they're LED. They should last a long time, and they don't get hot to the touch. On the shorter wall vanity, I decided to do a 2 light instead of a 3 light just for balance. You'll see when we move on to her vanity, it's larger and she has 3 lights. Super important to measure multiple times before you make those holes in the wall to hang the mirror. I will confess, it was very challenging, you guys, to find 2 mirrors the exact same height and a width that would work. So I was super grateful that I did find those. And I thought it would be fun to put the little detail of the towels outside of their shower for them. Of course, she needs all the scrubs and yummy things in her shower too. Have I ever told you guys how much I love my husband? It's so fun working with him, and he is amazing and literally can do anything. So we are hanging the mirror. As you can see, it's much larger than the other one we hung. This is her side of the bathroom, and of course I had to go larger so that I could balance out that big vanity. And as you can see, I did a 3-light vanity light instead of the 2, again to balance the larger mirror and the scale of the larger vanity. I love glass, and I also hate it because it always looks dirty. Well, not when you buy frosted. Every bathroom needs a good hamper and a good bathroom rug, of course. Such a yummy one. I ended up buying her 2 because they're lighter, and I just thought it would be super helpful to just have a new one when the dirty one is in the wash. Again, with World Market, I have them in my bathroom. Those rugs can be washed and dried a million times and they look amazing. Maybe not a million, but let's fold the towel in a fun way. Go halfway, take the bottom, cusp it over. Is that a word, cusp? Fold it into itself, and you have yourself a fancy little fun towel. Everyone needs a good picture frame in their bathroom. Soap and lotion, of course. I loved accenting this space with black and gold. I think mixing metals really gives you a great balance instead of just having the same exact metal throughout the space. I decided to move the candle off the toilet and onto her vanity. And of course, something pretty for the cotton balls and Q-tips. I thought that little box would be good for her jewelry too. He's not as fancy. We gave him 2 types of soaps in case he wants to go old school with a bar, but we are also going to give him a fun little towel. Fold, and everyone needs a good rose on your toilet paper. Take it, twist it, then you fold it into itself, and voila, you have a beautiful toilet paper flower. Poop spray, a plant. I mean, it's all the fun details, you guys, that bring it together. I can't wait to hear what you think of this gorgeous space. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with us today. I want to know what you love about this bathroom renovation that we did. So many simple changes. Well, not really simple. They were pretty big and impactful changes, but color and texture, it goes a long way, my friends. So be inspired for your own home as we head into a new year together. I hope that this encourages you and inspires you to maybe do a little refresh in your bathroom. Remember, just fresh towels and rugs and new soap dispensers or lighting and mirrors can go a long way and make huge impacts. Paint on the walls, wallpaper. So you don't necessarily have to get a new vanity, a new shower to really make impact. So be inspired. I would love to see you guys again next week. Please come back so you can see another design install. We are going to be doing a master bedroom. So pretty. Hopefully it will also inspire you as we head into a new year together. I love you guys. We cannot do this channel without you. So thank you for coming back each week. And be sure to hit that subscribe button, you guys, because we want you to stay here and we don't want you to miss anything. And I know a lot of you are still not subscribed, but I thank you for coming back each week. But it's really easy. Just hit the subscribe button. And we will see you again very soon. Have an amazing week. Bye, guys.